industrial sensors market. The report segments the market based on functionality type and end-use sector. It also segments the market based on sensor type. Geographical analysis spans over the Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. Key players profiles in this report include Amphenol Corporation, Gefren S.p.A., Honeywell International, Inc., Keyence Corporation, Panasonic Holdings Corporation, and more. Global market analysis of industrial sensors. Product segment analysis of industrial sensors market. Regional analysis of industrial sensors market.